how are you? I hope you all are doing great today. My name is Renu Rathi and today we will be learning our very interesting and a very relatable chapter, that is fractions. In this chapter, we will learn about what we have learned previous, we will revise it, we will introduce some fractions, types of fractions, proper, improper fractions, addition and subtraction of these fractions and some word problems on them. Now let us do, from each colored circle, we have to follow the equivalent fraction and mark the root with the arrow. Where do you reach from there? Like first one is our red circle. Here when you follow the arrows, this is 2 by 5 and we have start from here, that is half, that is equals to 2 by 4, then half is equals to 5 by 10. That's how you have to follow all the arrows and then you have to complete it till the map. Introduction to fraction. A fraction shows a part of a whole if an object is divided into equal parts and each part is a fraction. First is 1/2, that is a half sheet of paper. We have taken a sheet of paper, then we have folded it from the middle to get a crease. Now we tear the sheet from the crease and divide it into two equal parts and each part is a whole and half is read as 1 by 2 or 1 over 2 or 1/2. Next is our 1/3. If the same sheet is divided into three parts, then it is the 1/3 of the whole set and 1/3 is written as 1 by 3. Next is our 1/4. We have taken a circle and make 4 pieces of equal size and each part is 1/4 and 1/4 is written as 1 by 4. Naming a fraction. We need to know the following two facts to write a fraction, that is how many equal parts is the whole, we can divide it into. This forms the denominator. And how many parts out of the whole are to be considered, this forms the numerator. For example, a chocolate bar is divided into 4 equal parts. If you are given 3 parts, then you have 3 by 4th part of the chocolate. This is bar, this is numerator, this is denominator and this is the fraction. Now fraction is a part of whole. The whole fraction is divided into 3 equal parts. 2 parts are shaded, 1 is unshaded. Now fraction of shaded part is 2 by 3, fraction of unshaded part is 1 by 3. Now here is a square that is divided into 9 equal squares and 5 are unshaded and 4 are shaded. Shaded fraction is 4 by 9 and unshaded fraction is 5 by 9. Fraction is a part of group. Look at these group of objects. 2 dolls are red, 3 dolls are green. Total number of dolls 5. 2 by 5 of dolls are red, 3 by 5 are green. Here are 4 balloons, out of which 4 are blue and 3 are yellow. Total balloons 7. 4 by 7 blue and 3 by 7 yellow. Now, so the fraction numbers for fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and so on are 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 2/5 and so on. Now, see the given table and we will understand the fractional number, fractional and their figure number. So, first one is half, 1/3, 1 out of 3 parts, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, 1/9, 1/10, that is 1 part out of 10 equal parts, 2/3, that is 2 parts out of 3 equal parts, then 2 by 4, that is equals to 2/4 or 1/2. After that 2 by 5, that is 2 parts out of 5 equal parts, then 2 by 6 or 1 by 3, that is 2/6 or 1/3. After that 3 by 5th, after that 4/5, 5/7 and 6/7, that is 6 part out of 7 equal parts. Let's start with exercise 8.1. In the first one, we have to choose the fraction for the shaded part filled in the OMR sheet. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 out of 2 by 6 is the correct answer. Next is we have to write the fraction for each part. The whole is divided into 3 equal parts. That means it is 3 by 6. In the next one, we have to write the numerator and denominator for each fraction. So 5 is the numerator and 17 is the denominator. Now in the next one, we have to shade to show the following fractions. So out of 2 by 5, this one is the shaded portion. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Now in the next one, we have to write the fraction for each of the fractional number. One has been done for you. In the first one, it is 1/5. That's how you can complete the remaining part. In the next one, we have to write the fractional number for each of the following fraction. One has been done for you. So the next one will be 2/7. That's how you can complete all the number names. In the next one, we have to write 2 fraction for each of the following. Shaded one is 3 and unshaded is 2. So 3 by 5 is shaded and 2 by 5 is unshaded. That's how you can complete it. In the 8th one, we have to use the pencil to shade half of the picture. So this is the half portion. In the next one, we have to use a pencil to shade 1/3. So this is 1/3. In the next one, we have to shade 2/5 or 1/3 of the following figure. So this is our 2 by 5. That's how we can complete the remaining part. The next one is we have to use a pencil to shade 1/4 of each of the following. So this is 1/4. In the next one, we have to use a pencil to shade 1/6 of the following. So this is the 1/6. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Next one is our types of fraction. First is unit fraction. In these fraction, 1 is the numerator, so they are unit fractions. The numerator is 1, then it is a unit fraction. Now look at the following circles of the same size. We observe that this is 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 4. They both are equal and then they are called equivalent fractions. Now here are the shaded part: 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and 5 by 10. When you study all the strips carefully, that the all shaded parts are equal. Now let's start with forming equivalent fractions. So when we form equivalent fraction, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, 1 by 3 multiplied by 2, that is 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 3 by 9. So these all are equivalent fractions. Let's understand it better with the help of example. We have to find whether the fractions are equivalent or not. Here are the given fractions. If the product of numerator and denominator are equal, then they are equivalent. So here the product is 35, here is the product 77, so they are not equivalent. In the next one, when we find out the product, it is 200, 200. That means the fractions are equivalent fractions. In the next one, we have to reduce an equivalent fraction to its lowest form. So to reduce an equivalent fraction to its lowest form, we will divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. So when we divide it by 5, the fraction we get in lowest form is 4 by 5. Let's start with exercise 8.2. In the first one, we have to color the unit fraction. One has been done for you. So in this one, it will be 1 by 6. In the next one, we have to write the unit fraction, that is 1 by 2. In the next one, we have to complete this series, that is 1 by 5, 2 by 10, 3 by 15, 3 by 15, and then the last one is 9 by 45. That's how we can complete the remaining part. In the next one, we have to reduce these fractions to their lowest form. One has been done for you. So the next one will be 7, 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. So 7 by 8 is the lowest form. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Now in all of these, we have to find the equivalent fraction of 5 by 9 with numerator 20. So when we find out the fraction with numerator 20, that will be 5 by 9 into 4 into 4, that is equals to 20 by 9 4s are 36. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Similarly, here also we have to find the equivalent fraction. In this one, we have to circle the fraction which are in their lowest terms. So 7 by 11 is in its lowest term. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Now next is like and unlike fractions. Fractions are divided into two groups on the basis of the number of the part. Whole is divided into like and unlike. Now let's start with the like fractions. The fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. Like they have their denominator 4, and in such cases the fraction with greater numerator is the greater fraction. Unlike fraction is the fraction having different denominators are called unlike fractions, and in such cases the smaller the denominator, the greater the fraction. So 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3, that is greater than 1 by 4. Now let's start with proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions, a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator, is called a proper fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, they all are proper fractions. Improper fractions, a fractions in which numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, is called improper fraction. For example, these all are our improper fractions. Half is a proper fraction, fractional form for one whole, and improper fraction, that is 3 by 2. Let's start with exercise 8.3. In the first part, we have to arrange in ascending order, and one has been done for you. So in this one, when we have to arrange it in ascending order, it will be 6 by 9, After that, in ascending order, it will be, after that it is 4 by 9, then 3 by 9, and then 2 by 9. So this is our ascending order arrangement. In the next one, we have to arrange them in descending order. When we arrange them in descending order, it will be 8 by 19, after that 6 by 19, after that 4 by 19, and then last one is 2 by 19. We have to circle the group of like fractions. So the first one is a like fraction. We have to circle the smallest fraction in each option. This is the smallest fraction. We have to circle the proper fraction in each option. Proper fraction is the one having the numerator less and the denominator greater. So this is our proper fraction. In the next one, we have to circle the improper fraction. So in all of these, this is our 1 by 3 is our improper fraction. Now let's start with addition and subtraction of like fractions. Let's start with addition of like fractions. You can look at the following carefully. Now this is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4, that is 3 by 4. In figure A, we observe that the shaded part 1 by 4 of whole, 2 by 4 of whole becomes 3 by 4 of whole. Mr. Ashok painted 2 by 10 of the wall on Tuesday and 3 by 10 on Wednesday and on Thursday. How much he painted all together? That means we will add all the terms. So when we add them, it becomes 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, that is 8 by 10. Now subtraction of like fraction. Subtraction of two fractional numbers of same denominator is similar to addition as we have learnt earlier. Now look at the following figures. 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8, that is equals to 2 by 8. Again we have 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5, that is again equals to 2 by 5. Now we have the following difference of two fractional numbers having the same denominator, that is difference between the numerators upon same denominator. Now in this example, we have both the fractions 5 by 11 and 7 by 11 having the same denominator. So when we subtract them, it becomes 7 minus 5, that is 2 by 11. Let's start with exercise 8.4. In the first one, we have to add the following fraction. So 7 plus 3, that is 10 by 13. In the next one, we have to subtract the following fraction. So 7 minus 5, that is 2 by 15. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Next is word problems on fractions. In the example number 1, Supriya required 11 by 4 meter of cloth for her uniform, whereas her sister required 14 by 4. How much material did they buy for them? So that means we have to add both the material. So 11 plus 4, that means 25 by 4 meter her mother buy for both of them. Similarly, in example number 2, a ribbon was 7 by 8 meter long, and if 5 by 8 was cut off, how much was left? That means we will subtract. So 7 minus 5, that is 2 by 8, that means 1 by 4 meter of ribbon was left. Now let's start with exercise 8.5. In the first one, we have to answer the following questions. From a rope of length 13 by 19 meter, 9 by 19 was cut off. How much was left? That means we have to subtract them. So 13 minus 9 by 19, that is equals to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 4 by 19 meter rope of length is left now. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Let's start with think tank. In the first one, we have to take the correct answer. 3, 1, 4 3s are 12, plus 1, 13, 13 by 4, minus 6 2s are 12, plus 1, 13 by 6. Now after solving these in the limited fraction, the LCM will be 4 and 6, that is 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. That means 12 is our LCM. After solving the LCM as a 12, the answer will be 13 into 3 is 39 minus 4 3s are 12. So 13 3s are 39. That means 1 by 12 is our correct answer. In the next one, we have to fill in the blanks. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Next is we have to match the following. So we have to convert them into their simplest form. So it is 5 5s are 25 and 5 8s are 40. So that means fourth one is the correct answer. We have to color the fraction as mentioned below. 1 by 2. We have to color the circles to know the fraction in which option, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 by 12, that's how you can complete it. In the next one, we have our maths puzzle. We have to place the fraction in the empty tile so that every row and column and diagonal gives us the sum of a whole. So 1 by 6 plus, what must be added to 1 by 6 and 3 by 6, that is 2 by 6, that whole becomes 6 by 6, that is whole. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Now next is our mental maths. Who has more legs, 3 spiders, 7 people or 4 dogs? That you have to critically think and then you have to tell me. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Now I hope you have understood the chapter pretty well. You just have to practice exercise questions and don't forget to revise this topic again.